Hello, welcome to Erin Leaves Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have a few FabFitFun mystery bundles to go over with you that I picked up in the Black Friday sale. So I have only gotten one mystery bundle ever before, so I'm excited to see what is in these other mystery bundles. Go ahead and get started. This is the first one that I have. They come in clear bags, so you kind of get an idea of what's in there. Let's open it and see what we got. I do believe you have to be a member to participate in the edit sales. The first thing I'm pulling out is from, it's called Millie Rose Colors in Bloom eyeshadow palette. It's nice to see some cosmetic stuff in here. I don't feel like I got any like makeup stuff last time, so this is kind of neat. It is sealed, so just give me a second to open this. Okay, and this is the palette here. It looks like a very neutral, everyday palette. I'm not going to swatch this just because I have so many shades like this. I may give this in a giveaway. I'm not really sure what I want to do with this yet. So I'm put that to the side. Next up, it looks like another makeup item. Let's go ahead and open it to see what it is. This is Nude Sticks Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm, and it's in the shade Jamama. Oh, that's a nice lip color. It's more like a nude color, a nude pink, and it is on the creamier side. Looks really pretty. I'm excited to use that. Next up is a massage ball Total Body Relief. Raised tips help stimulate blood and oxygen flow. Great for sore feet. Oh, that's awesome. Ease away tension and relieve sore muscles. Let's go ahead and open and see what this looks like, because I'm definitely keeping this. I do get sore muscles, so it's nice to have something like this around. So it's just like a ball with spikes on it. So I'm excited to use this out and see if it really works and if it really helps with the pain. The last thing in this mystery bundle is Image Skincare Eye Mask Purifying Probiotic Mask. It says in with the good, out with the bad. It's yogurt-based probiotic blending supports skin's natural flora and optimal balance. Mineral-rich Brazilian green clay and activated charcoal helps to detoxify. Okay, and I love masks and anything like that, and even though I may not use this right away, I know I definitely will use this. So this is the packaging. Absolutely love it. It just looks expensive. I don't know how much this costs because these are mystery bundles, but I do like the way the packaging looks on this. The jar is much bigger than what the products are inside because it looks like it has 2 layers in there. Super neat. Okay, let's see what's else in the other mystery bundles that I got. Okay, this is the next mystery bundle. Again, they come in the clear bags. Okay, first is from Spongel, and it's in Freesia Pear. And I don't think I have this in particular scent, so it's exciting. It smells really good. So you can actually hang this on your tree, which I like. It's the holiday season. I might just go ahead and hang this on a tree for myself as like a little gift for Christmas time. It does smell really good. And for those of you who don't know, never seen them before, this is what they look like. And it has a little thing in there that you can hang it. I guess this is what this is for, so you can hang it up in your shower. Not all of them have that on there, but this one in particular one does, so that is nice. Next is something from Sonage. It's Glow to Go Glycolic Acid Peel Pads. Instantly renew skin for a burst of radiance. So I believe I already have one thing open of glycolic acid. I think that's how you say it. So I don't want to open this just yet because I want to use that one up first before I open up another one. Next is Sampar Paris. It's a glamour shot. It says it minimizes the appearance of pores and wrinkles in 1 minute. Wow, that's a claim. I like how the packaging is pink on here. So it is a lot smaller than the box, as you see, but super cute. I'm wondering if this is like, okay, after moisturizing, apply a foundation by smoothing uniformly into the face from the inside out. Can be used alone for a natural result underneath makeup, powder, blush, or at any time of the day to touch up over makeup. Attention, not compatible with liquid foundation. Okay, so that's good to know. So if you wear this not with liquid foundation, probably with a powder or something of that nature, not liquid though. So that's good that they told you that on here, because I definitely would have used it with a liquid foundation. So that's good to know. And last thing in this bundle is really heavy. It's from CLIV Premium. It's a ginseng berry premium essence, and I love essence. I recently got introduced to it and what it is. And essence is actually just a kind of skincare that you put on before everything else to help you absorb all the other skincare you're going to be putting on your face. So it's always good to have that for me. Always good. Oh man, this is nice packaging and it's super heavy. I'm really excited about this. This is really big. This is bigger than my 111 Skin one that I own. It smells good. It smells like berry scent to it. I'm definitely not going to open this until I finish one of my other essences that I have open, but it's always good to have one of these to help your skin absorb moisturizers and serums better. And I have one more mystery bundle. Let's go ahead and open the last one and see what is inside. So far, I'm liking everything that I got. Okay, this is my last mystery bundle. So it looks like they typically have 4 items inside. Okay, first thing I'm pulling out is botanical ingredients. Oh, sorry. The first thing I'm pulling out is from the brand Graydon, and it's an aloe milk cleanser. Okay. Something a little bit different than what we've gotten so far, but I do love skincare, so that makes me happy. Let's see if this box comes with an expiration. I like to put my skincare by expiration to use it, so I'm hoping somewhere on here there's some kind of expiration. I'm not really seeing any, but this is a cute little packaging that there is for this cleanser, and I'm hoping since it's so tiny, it's one of those like a little bit goes a long way. Otherwise it'd be a waste if it's not, because that's not really a lot for face wash in my opinion, but still exciting. Next up is from OPI, and it's a maximum strength nail strengthener. So OPI is one of my favorite nail polish brands. So I haven't been able to try their maximum strength nail strengthener yet, so I'm excited to use that because I really can't wear a lot of polishes at work, but I can put nail strengthener on and no one will really know about it. So that is neat. I do have, like, when my nails grow out, they do, like, chip off a little bit, so maybe that'll help with that so it doesn't do that as bad. Ooh, this one has an elephant on it. This is from Reka, I do believe, and it's Illuminating Turmeric Polish. This is a facial scrub. So we have a facial cleanser, and then we have a facial scrub. Look at the cute little elephant on top. Okay, and last but not least, we got another cleanser. This is from Romer, and this is a gel oil cleanser. And it has honey, caffeine, coffee extract, and tea tree oil. Which I heard is really good for, like, detoxifying. Super excited to use this. See, this is more like a normal size facial cleanser, if you ask me. But that is everything that I got in my mystery bundles. Let me know in the comments down below if you like what I got, if you didn't like what I got, if you want to hear some more about the products when I use them. Let me know in the comments down below. That's everything that I have for you today. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.